Welcome to our troubleshooting guide on how to fix a Honeywell fan not turning on. If you're experiencing issues with your Honeywell fan, you're not alone. Many users encounter the frustration of a fan that simply won't start. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to identify and fix the problem. In this guide, we'll walk you through a series of steps to help you resolve the issue of a Honeywell fan not turning on, ensuring you can enjoy a cool and comfortable environment once again. Step 1. Check the power source. The first step in troubleshooting your Honeywell fan is to check the power source. Ensure that the fan is plugged into a working outlet. Try plugging another device, such as a lamp, into the same outlet to see if there's power. If the outlet isn't working, check your home circuit breaker or fuse box to determine if a switch has tripped or a fuse has blown. Step 2. Inspect the power cord and plug. Next, examine the power cord and plug for any visible damage. A damaged cord or plug could prevent the fan from receiving power. Look for fraying, cuts, or any exposed wires. If you find damage, stop using the fan immediately and consider having a qualified electrician repair or replace the cord. Step 3. Verify the fan control settings. Sometimes the issue might be as simple as the fan being set to an incorrect mode or speed. Make sure the fan control settings are correct and not set to off. Turn the dial or press the buttons to select a different speed and ensure it's not stuck between settings. Some fans also have an oscillation or timer feature. Ensure these are properly set as well. Step 4. Clean the fan. Dust accumulation can often cause the fan to malfunction. Unplug the fan and carefully clean the blades, grill, and motor housing. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove dust and debris. A cleaner fan not only works more efficiently, but also reduces the risk of overheating and potential damage to the motor. Step 5. Test the motor. If the fan still doesn't turn on, the motor might be the problem. Listen for any unusual noises that might indicate a motor issue, such as humming or clicking. Sometimes gently tapping the center of the fan while it's unplugged can help identify a loose component. However, if you suspect a motor problem, it might be necessary to contact Honeywell customer service or a professional repair technician for assistance. Step 6. Consult the user manual. Your Honeywell fan's user manual contains valuable troubleshooting advice specific to your model. If you've misplaced it, check the Honeywell website for digital copies of manuals. Follow any additional troubleshooting steps listed to try and fix the problem. Dealing with a Honeywell fan not turning on can be frustrating, but with these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue effectively. From checking the power supply to inspecting the motor, these common troubleshooting methods often do the trick. Remember to always prioritize safety and avoid using the fan if any electrical issues are suspected. By following our guide titled How to Fix Honeywell Fan Not Turning On, we hope you'll soon have your fan up and running, providing that much needed breeze in no time.